Hello, my name is Dylan Mercier with Master Library, and we're here for another recording of Next Gen Facility Manager. This week's topic for the episode is going to be how to set your team up for success. Most of the points that we're going to cover in this week's episode are both beneficial to you in the long run if you plan on staying with a district, and also in the shorter term if you're planning on transferring or even potentially retiring in the near future. Now, often in the life cycle of a facility manager, you may start off at a smaller district, just a couple or a few buildings, potentially even a K through 12 on one campus. Now, as you're looking to expand your horizons and move on to a potentially better paying, larger district, it definitely helps to have some benchmarks available that you can show your successes over the years at your previous district. One great way to make a standing long-term improvement on your existing district is to help champion and implement an electronic work order system. Now, not only will this save you and your staff countless hours and potentially inventory costs over the years, but it also gives you an easy way to track labor hours, cost of repairs, overall cost of ownership of the building, and all of your annual expenses all in one spot. Now, this can be a very powerful reporting tool when it comes time for annual reviews or building up your portfolio in regards to an application for a new district. Once you have this electronic system in place, up and running, it will allow you to see where you started and incrementally each year as you make changes to either your staff or your processes that you do your PMs, your general building maintenance, and also your short order repairs. It will give you a good trackable metric that you're able to see how your building is doing. Now, these trackable metrics are what's very important to potential prospects for a district that you're looking to move on to. I mean, think about it. If you can go from a district that is using an excessive amount of labor hours for each individual service call and PM that goes out, and you can see a trend over the course of your 5 years at a district where annually the amount of time spent is reduced each year on average for larger service calls and for your standard maintenance. If you can reduce the inventory cost associated with stocking your building due to not losing, damaging, or ordering up material that you may already have within the district, that's going to be another big perk. And also a proven track record of not failing inspections. That's a big one that we brought up on one of the previous episodes in order to how to not fail another inspection. And I mean, that's a great one. If you have a perfect track record or near perfect track record that you can prove digitally or on a PDF printout, that shows very well when you're sitting down for an interview. Even if you're not in the market for a new job with a larger district, it also will show very well and help you feel like you made the best impact on your district on your way out the door. The more you can set your team up for success, the more of your processes that you've learned over the years that you can document in this electronic record and have your staff operating nearly on autopilot. Automated work orders, the PMs and procedures are all in place. You have a digital floor plan in place that maps your entire building. Your successor will have a much easier job filling your shoes when you leave. In the end, it's all about proof. It's about what you can prove you did for the district. It may take years to build that record within the system, but the reports are very easy to get out at the end and very powerful when you're sitting down at a conference room table reviewing your overall progress over the years. Another big perk to having electronic facility records or a digital work order system is going to be not losing staff. That's another great way to be able to set yourself up for success. The happier your staff is, the more efficient they feel that they're working, the less likely that they are to turn over and leave you stuck training new employees over and over again. Again, I try and keep these short, sweet, and to the point, as I know you're all busy out there. Hit the like or subscribe button down below. leave a comment with any questions or ideas for future episodes, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks.